What you did there?
I did that at door.
What you been doing?
It's hard because I'm never staying here.
Nah, tell you. So you say you good?
Yeah, my alright.
What you did out at the door though?
But just sit down out there in the house. I don't know why you staying at the house on the outside.
Yo, well, I tell him I can't bother. I'm tired, I just want to lie down. But they are lie down. I'm not lie to you, I've been doing some thinking. You know, so we've been through a lot. Yeah, man, for the past month, feel like we go through a whole heap. And I want we start afresh. I want we start anew, I want we start afresh. I want we put all of the happenings behind us and go forward. What do you think?
Yeah, we can do that. We can trust the process.
Trust the process. That never sound too bad. But I just want to just forget everything that had happened and we just build on our future going forward. And just know say oh, we are in this together and more you can trust me and I can trust you. We can do that. No more, I don't want no more stories or no more here so no man come and no that and them things. I want all of that just be behind us. And so I want to go forward. And big man thing, I don't want to hear no more name calling, no more rumors. Worst of all, I really don't want to hear nothing more about no more Nick James. That name, I don't want to hear nothing about.
Alright.
Make sure you know.
Yeah.
Good?
Well, yeah, we're good.
Alright, so you say I cook.
I don't know where you want to tell me I want to eat.
Yes, I'm not telling you I feel for some stew peas.
Stew peas and what?
Stew peas and white rice, man. You don't know you cook the food nice already, man. I like little tomato,
So,
man.
you know, come help me. So we can just cook together.
You know that is not a bad idea. We can bond doing that. Alright, you go and go start the pot. I'm gonna right back at you, alright?
Get up. So we are good.
I'm right back at you, man. Go on, man. Don't stop going, so. Sure. Alright? Yeah. Sister. Sister. Yeah, hear what I'm going on, you know. But how long I want to come check you? How long? Me I go down at the yard, go check the girl. And the girl like talk all kind of foolishness. She a go on like she proud of what she do. Yeah, dirty girl. So guess some more we do. A union professional thief. Want to kidnap her and hold her at ransom. You understand me I say? And make some money. So when you hold her now, when the dirty boy I go get her, we make him pay $2 million to get her back. Can't get her back. What you say about that?
$2 million, yes, sir?
Yes, or more.
After $2 million no money.
One for you and one for me.
1 million Jamaican dollar. Then that value nothing. I just start spending so it done. Before we get it, it finish. Me want $10 million from him.
Sister, make you always do this to me. This a goat man that can afford $10 million. Eh? You think he can afford $10 million? Not even $3 million or even $2 million, but we want him to go borrow it. You understand?
Me don't care where you want to get it from. Because that the girl there, she don't value not even 1 red cent. All me know say, that me want, so when me get it, me give you 5 mil out there, and me take 5.
Sister, just be realistic. 1 million for me, 1 million for you.
No, me not
This
that.
way I drop it.
It's more pay for it. You have to pay for the other 8. You know, a different way, if me take 2
I'm
from
gonna
him.
beat him still, you know. Me a bad man, you know. Yo, you see my fighting skills, dangerous, you know.
Tappy.
I kick him down, you know. Kick
Tappy.
it out in throat, you know.
Oi, Tappy. You know, draw down no crowd at me yard. Because every time you're in a fighting, you run gone left all your friend them.
Me?
And you cause the problem, so when they don't have to call me, don't do it. You can't fight, stop. You
Sometimes
cannot
my
fight.
belly hurt me, so I want to run in and run back, but you know, I get a little nervous. No, I'm just be honest. But sister, me know which part she live.
You know, everybody knows me and sister, you know, especially when you come around here. So.
You love
Say Angel! And stop making world hear say me and your sister. What happened to you? You informer anytime you do your foolishness them. Then run come and contract about in her sister run the son and send police on me yard. Listen to me. When they come ask anybody if Angel round there. Just stop tell people say me and your sister. Me and you don't know that already.
People know me.
Yeah, who know, who no know, you not have to make them know. And you always in a problem.
Wait, so we are doing. Come on, sister. Come on.
You love sweet.
You love sweet. Sure. Come in. What going on, cousin? Yeah, man, my good man. Blessed. Everything Chris your side? Oh, yeah, man, my good man. Okay, cool, good to know. Oh, yeah, that's something that we talked about that time, the door. You know, say everything did work out, my brother. Yeah, man, everything work out smooth, man. Everything copacetic, everything fixed right now. Right now, she a move pan Q. Yeah, man, she come like a new man, I promise you. Yeah, man, everything in order. No more problems, no more stress, no more bad vibes, nothing. Everything look good. Yeah, man. And don't believe it's strange. I really do appreciate the fact that it come to me and say this to me, you see me? And now, I appreciate, yeah, man, I'm grateful. Very much grateful. I have 2 beer for you, now watch your face. Yeah, man, I buy you 2 beer. Hold on. Right. Yo, I have another caller coming in. So, here what? I link you. As I say, I got to buy you 2 beer later on. You see me? Alright, big up yourself. Yeah. Jesus, peace. Yo, brother-in-law, what go on? What happened to you?
Yo, a deal what we have. What go on for that?
We deal. Which deal that again?
Because we want some money right now.
Oh! Yo, John Star, God, things are going so good, you know. Say, honestly, I never remember nothing about that. But in regards to the deal, still, you know, you can call it a deal, you know, because I don't need you again.
Maybe they don't give me no more money. Brother, you must be give you information for whatever you want, you know.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. I call off that, man.
So, I say you stay. Alright. You know what? Keep your money. Don't worry yourself. Well,
Well, you don't know me the gear thing already, so you don't know work out that and then everything good right now, so we're good. Yeah, man, I don't need no more help, man. Everything, Chris.
when you want the oil to do, go and go ask for police to do what you want.
And no more problems, my boss. Everything good. I appreciate what you did too. So, yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Cool? Alright. Yeah, man. Never remember nothing about that, you know. Can't start about myself. Brother, I have to watch this. I think the man does
Auntie, let me answer this. What go on, Auntie? Yeah, man, everything good, man. Just the woman I want party. Wait, what? I mean, the PlayStation not come down. Who take the PlayStation? Customs. So they really take a PlayStation out of the suitcase? Oh, God. So you can't buy more next one? Of course, me have to ask if you can buy more next one. Look how long me ask if you can get it for me. Alright. You can send one next one. But yeah, I go want me clear. Auntie, I don't know if I have so much money for clear one PlayStation. Alright, me say I can't find any money on clear.
I don't say there. Yeah, eat all patty.
Auntie, me talk
Me need
to
to
you.
talk to you. Oh, auntie, I talk on the phone, but me need to talk to you.
What you want?
Where you get money to buy patty?
Baby, where me get money? I have my money.
Anyways, me need to for go shop.
I always feel summer broke.
Me need to for come go shop.
Every time you send me a shop. Why you don't go a shop?
Come. Come go on a shop for your sister. Chaz up there one food. Him saying one stupid. Just buy chicken. Just buy chicken with him. Stop give me talking no man. Go buy the chicken and come back.
Girl, you realize that me just not eat some night later. So
look boy, don't give me no talk. Go and go buy the chicken. No.
Alright. Look. Know yourself, man. The duck will get what the duck want.
Junior,
Wow.
the man himself. Yo, you see Destiny was dangerous something, you know. Because yesterday, me and my sister said, we want to come give her a link. Yeah, man. So, how things?
The thing going good, man. What you want to chat to me more?
I want to talk to your sister. I want to see your sister. See your sister still do a year on Thursday?
What you talk about?
Eh?
What you talk about?
But no more to see her to talk to her.
For what?
Eh? No, because we have to look at things to discuss. And I don't want certain things go to violence. Because the last time you talk, you went kind of go to one way where, you know, you have things that more hurt somebody or somebody end up dead and something there.
Brother, whatever I go on between my sister and your sister,
You need to stop.
you need to stop.
Yes. So how we going to stop it?
Brother, honestly, I don't even know, you know. But the two of them, my sister was a hard-headed person. And I don't know your sister, but I can guess she are probably the same thing.
Alright, based on what you think and what we believe is different from what we have to solve and fix. Your sister still do her year on Thursday?
You know,
Okay.
I don't see her, like, I feel like she stopped going here just because you don't see how her hair look. But but I know she go for some walk, like a river and thing. Like evening time, like 5 o'clock on in time.
5 o'clock and something. A good thing you talk, man. That you know, I have some business I have to take care of, but I need help. And I need people who can trust around me. And me a virgin for a long time, so it's not supposed to be a thing where I have to sit here and say, yo, help me please and wait. You're supposed to just know, say, if I want help, just should be.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
So what you want me to do?
Money the money.
Money the money?
Money the money.
Alright, man, brother. As long as money the money, you know,
You sure?
yeah, man.
Alright, you are going to say. Alright, so tomorrow then, I'll give you a phone call. And the call me, I'll give you expect you have some business phone call, so take it serious.
Alright, but
Alright?
what? There are some things that more sort out still, so.
You have some things like what, sir?
My auntie has some things where she want to send on for me and my sister, so. I don't want a little money for sort out them,
I
so.
work, man, a business, a money. You understand me? I say you can escalate to bigger things just the same way. So just you just forward in, make sure the link make, and we organize it.
But what kind of job skills?
I do some merchandising, you know what I mean? Pick up some stuff.
I like the same job where you dig up on other day.
No, man, different job, man. Different job.
Because
Different
you
job.
know, the last time police, they grab one.
I'm not trying to show you no police thing. This is a thing that's secure.
Legal. Illegal.
Legal, not illegal. We are working for a company. Alright, here we are going. My sister go involved slight. But a company named Angels Production. You understand? So a different thing, man.
If I anything, but just link me.
I'll link you, man. See? I same phone here, right? Same number.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we talk. Here?
Yeah, so link more.
Manners.
Wake up.
I get up so early for
I forgot on the road and I tell that.
What time? What is the time?
Get up now.
7. Yeah, man, I'm up, man.
after 7 now, so I'm gonna get up, go bathroom. You gonna go work same day?
Yeah, man, I work about 8 o'clock.
So get up now.
Go on, go get ready now and go on here, go. Me soon get up, man. Yeah, man, I'm good.
So come back.
Hello.
Tell Dad, take me to Rock Store. Shall come on. Shall come to you.
Yo, Wagwan. What you say? You see her?
Yeah, man, she'll come to you. She run a tree. Make sure you run a tree. Make sure you run a tree.
Me dey palm me way I come already.
She'll come.
Yeah, alright, cool.
You again?
Yeah, where you go? Where you go? Yo, you think how you make me that? Hold him.
Where rope there?
Like seriously?
Where rope there?
Seriously,
Go
Nick?
pin rope, what's the foolishness? Go pin
Hold
rope.
Hold this rope.
Seriously,
hold
Nick?
And seriously. What you
Hold
make?
him.
Your man beat up me, my sister. Go pin rope fast now.
I can't believe you,
When you
brother.
say can't believe it, don't believe me. The sister me trust.
Ready? We have him here so they do. Walk. Start walk. Can't time up here so. We are time up on one cheer.
Which part is this shit that go? She gone so early. Why did you tell me this shit that go? Shop or a man yard? Jesus Christ. What a man the name again? What a man the name? Ay. So I'm not too like one again. So I normally get up so early. I'm coming to the house.
God, man, I'm tired. I'm Monday. Come here, go here. You soon come, man. Okay. I'm glad you follow me, you know. So early in the morning.
So where you drive, you say? If I didn't meet you, would you follow me?
Of course. I don't follow you.
So where you say Monday, so long you might take to come?
If you come now, you know, I don't know when there's so long.
Call him and ask him to find it, it might take too long.
I'm getting a voicemail.
My shop a pill, you know, we come
You
now.
don't do that, man.
You sure?
I'm sure, man.
Okay.
If you come, you know.
Can mosquito bite me up here, so. So only one number you have?
I want the money off you.
So one phone you have?
Most likely.
Alright, try ring him and see if I can get him back again.
We could just wait 2 more minutes. Hello? It's fire there. Oh, alright then. I'm the right answer. Come.
Finally.
Oh, see me.
Want him this?
Babes, wait. Never know you that car, friend. Look at traffic, they hold me up, man. So you're going?
You alright? The traffic man, I couldn't forward the inside quick, you see me? They are now still, so what you do with?
Nothing, you know, see my friend.
Sorry, pardon my manners. Good morning. You alright?
Yes, sometimes.
Alright, then cool.
Give me a minute. Where the farm in?
I'm there. I don't know, I'm down on my bed.
That woman having a bed all long?
So, I don't know about that, man. I don't know that, man. I don't explain to you, say, I look at traffic while I did after all, it take some time to follow, isn't it?
You know where you get rid of her, you know?
I said them things, man. I done talk to her. I set certain rules. I fix the thing a certain way. Just yesterday I deal with it. And so things are go better now. Trust me. You don't have to worry about she, man. Everything alright.
You know, say a month end now. I don't want the money.
The time I link up with you is an extortion thing. But I understand your thing still.
Yeah, I'm here one do.
I get that baby girl, I can sort you out. You know you have to get sorted out already. Check for you differently, you know. You know I'm a girlfriend already, man. I want to see you. I mean, nothing come between me and you, you know. You know that. So you do it differently. You're good. I have to make sure you say you're good, you know, because I'm a girl. You know. And anytime I have my local problems, you don't know you come to and you have to rely upon to talk to. You have like my outlet.
That's why you have to get rid of.
Everything will happen in due time, isn't it? So everything will work itself out. And if you forget rid of them, that's it. But for right now, I just set it at a certain pace, at a certain level, I will keep it right there. So. But just go and play your role until then. Don't worry. It's up your face, man. It's up your face, man. You know, some have you already.
So what you do now?
I'm going to go work shortly. So I just definitely have to make sure someone come give you a link, sort you out, and then go up on the work, isn't it?
So what money do?
Yeah, money, baby, now for 1 month. Yeah, I think, let's see. This man, make sure you take care of yourself, is it? Baby already, you know. Just smile on your face, man. You're glad to see me.
I'm glad to see you, but you know the whole situation.
Yes, man, baby girl, you make the thing look so. Come on, hug, man. See, they even not give me no little kiss, so you stay, so. Come on, chups, man. Boy, may I tell you. Alright, man, I gotta work. You see me, so we talk later. Cool. Later, here.
So what kind of working?
I'm a police girl.
You never tell me that.
Tell your man.
Yeah, me and you never want to discussion.
But you slip my mind.
Miss Son, hope you're going in yourself. Look like you're really interested in him.
Okay, go on.
So a fear man or a barrier too?
Girl, it's complicated. Come on, man, let's go.
You know what, answer my question.
Come now, girl.
Stay there talk about your allo and they go on like you're somebody dirty boy.
Who is this?
What do you mean, who is this? Who is this? Y'all get stammer now. My youth, if you not present $2 million in front of me before the day done, your woman is a dead person. I don't want to know you more than how I know you already. All I am saying, you need to come at Blue Lane and present $2 million to me, else your woman is a dead person and no talking. Me no want to hear from you. My youth, listen to this, because this is serious and you might take it for a joke. No jokes. $2 million. Right there, son. Not more me no want hear from you. Right. Some boy I come from. So little dirty foot boy I come from. I come go on like he want style me. You better provide the $2 million. I don't care where you want to get it from, whether you want to thief it or whatever you want to do to get it. You have to carry it, come give me. Boy, you must see this sound like an idiot. Oh, I'm to you. Like a clown. Now when there? Better come to me, you know. Oh, quick and fast too.
Bro. Yo, me know that so. Mad.
You say that?
Yes, yeah, boy. You look so.
I'm well for my brain, and I'm not gonna lie to you. Get caught in a situation, I'm more that love if you can get me, help me out.
What kind of situation are they?
So, I don't know if you know, the same woman, my woman, where they tell me about the thing the time there.
Are you your girlfriend?
Yeah, man, my girl. They don't know, so the man them kidnap her.
You wanna, what you really have to say?
Yeah, man, someone kidnap her and ask me for money. They ask me for $2 million. If me don't come up with the $2 million, them go kill her.
So, hold on, you're trying to say that you have money from me to borrow?
You could have come to board this situation. I don't want to go tell everybody because they said we go to the police, they go kill me. And me a police already, I don't know about it.
Alright, you are one, bro. Because I want to stick your situation, this, you know. If you don't have money to give them, or you give me back my money, I mean, chance. I'm done not to have no money. You may go tell us, because you're police and you're in this thing all the time. You know, say Jamaica, this and people not too old people for ransom or kidnap people. So you know, say if them kidnap you and not kill her already, chances are they not kill her at all. So you need to just come up with a plan, probably pack one bag with something, pretend some money in it, and just knock them out. You don't know. You're police, you must know what
You know, you just give me an idea. You just give me an idea, you know. Because the element of surprise is always the key, you know. So, what you just say, we can use that to my advantage because them don't know so we don't have the money. So me use that for say, to get to them. And once we find out which part of them, we can take them out.
Just do what you have to do, man. Because, you know, at Jamaica, we're there and you know the police system is already, although you're police, so just do what you have to do. Wish we could have more assistance.
No, man. Brother, how only pay just to become like how you think about the thing through a while ago and made it to me. Yeah, man. Other way I'm going to do it, man. You're going to hear about it.
Right, do what you have to do, man.
Brother, you linking a respect for the advice, isn't it?
Right, I'm your business, man.
I deal with it.
Right, wish you all the best.
No, man, I deal with it, brother.
Jaja.
Shut up.
You tie good? You tie good?
Take off your hand.
You want to go with mother? Yeah, idiot? Which mother you want to go?
Shut up your mouth.
Foolishness.
Want to go with mother? Want to go with mother? That's the great man.
Ninja.
That's the great man. Come over with the chair. Hey, girl, you know what you do?
I want trickster, you know.
You know what you do? Eh? You know what you do?
Make man come beat up me
man
sister.
come
Why
beat
you do that?
me because of you. Hey, girl.
Go call him. And tell him no pleasure.
I'm man around, brother. Hey, dirty girl.
I'm man.
After you style me family them. I'm deal with your case about you. Go tell a little dirty foot man about me and make him meet me in a shortcut and come beat me up. Hold that. Hold this.
Hold that too.
This you forget. It's so bright. You think you will never get where? You see me hold your dirty thinking, man.
Yeah. What you say? Yeah, man. Mr. James. Make sure you have the money, you know. Yeah, man. I have the money where you ask me about, man. You have the money? Yeah. 2 million, yeah. Yes. I have all the way you ask me for. Look here, no, man. Me's a man of my word. I have what you say you want.
What you mean? We the same place, man. Same place.
I don't know girl thing, sir. I have the money. Where is the same place I link up?
Yes, man, come. Come. You're close. Hurry up, come.
Don't say another word. Me on my way round to you right now. Good? Yeah, man. Right now, man. Not even 3:40 away.
Hurry up, come.
Girl, tap in it before I shut your box. Shut up. Shut up your mouth. Idiot. Shut up.
Why you? And the wicked part about it, she proud.
No worry, me I go in her house. Something me have to find something to clap up her mouth or tie up her mouth. She chat too much.
Just looking at the
And then your girl
Look at
screaming.
about you. Girl, I don't understand why you're so wicked to my sister, you know, and to my family, you know. Because we do what we do. Me I talk to you, you know.
Wham. What are the two woman? What are the two woman?
Me so make it to you, man.
You like a father beg man, you ask for your money.
So give me
Now
money.
this is what?
Give me money.
They come for the money, Lee's are far and come for your money. Move your blouse and skirt, boy, you want money, eh? Move for him, son. Alright, baby. Jesus Christ. Jesus, please. What them people ever...
Yo, what you feel say you do to my what you do to my brother boy? What you do? What you do? Eh? What you do? Yeah. Come on. Get up.
I want.
Get up. Just go on.
See, move your blouse and skirt, boy, you want money, eh? Move for him, son. Alright, baby. Jesus Christ. Remember when me a pull down this something you come and at me out, you know?
Yeah, go. Yeah, man,
I can't go come now and knock me out.
Ready?
My youth, you know, see the money, so where you do? Where you trouble my girlfriend? They ain't come for your money. I want to want to come for your money. Come for your money now.
Money.
Oh, friend, you're something, boy. Yeah, boy. Easy, baby, alright? Alright. You hurt you? Hush. Come, get up. Come. Let me look for you. Let me check you. Alright? Stand there. Jesus Christ.
Let me forget the shit and shot. You put down, so go and take a look at the
Don't give me money, bro. Walk out.
Him have a step out. You are gone. That's some stuff to deal with. Oh, that's got work. You know. You done the right thing right now. You must look for your money. Make sure you're alright. Ready, kid? Action! That's so good.
party. I hear some of the running around. See?
Alright? Oh, back, my girl, wake up, you know. My girl, wake up. Stay down, move, girl. Where you going? Just step off again, here.